And ultimately, Prof explained to me that, the only way to get things perfect is to turn the clock back. Invent a time machine and go back and treat them before they developed any of these malocclusions, any of these airway issues. Deal with the root cause. And that really is what brought me to early interception, early intervention orthodontics. So it was only when I became successful with my practice that I started to share my work in meetings and in lectures, that I came across the understanding that the orthodontic community actually does not champion early interception anymore. When we use functional appliances, we know we don't get favorable outcomes predictable. Right? It moves teeth around, but skeletally there are no significant changes. Well, when I studied with Peter Buschang, who was the previous head of Texas A&M and M, he did a lot of work in revising Bjork's work from the late 60s on true mandibular rotation, true mandibular and true maxillary rotation, the growth and development of children from early years into their late teens. They realized that chin development, jaw balance development, airway development, room for wisdom teeth development was a outcome of strong posture.